I'm absolutely in love, and right now what I feel like I should get one for myself as well, like 36 roses. I have this in gray, but white roses is a whole different story. It looks so gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just want to share with you what I got for the Valentine's Day for my sister. Actually, during the Valentine's Day, she was here with me. We did a lot of fun. I gave her a lot of different gifts, but afterwards I realized that she loves roses so much, especially the long-lasting roses. She loves so much. So even though I was planning for a while, like I knew she loves roses, but I didn't really know which color she would prefer, and I wanted to give her a surprise, so I could not really ask her which one she wanted. But when she came here, she saw all the roses that I have. She just compliments them all the time, and when she saw my new dome-shaped white roses, she was like, wow, white roses are the best. So that time I knew that I have to give her this, and I know that she loves a big bouquet of roses, not the small like 10-12 ones. So I got this big 36 roses for her, and I think she's going to love it so much. By the time you are going to see this video, probably she will already have it, but yeah, so I am going to give it to her after the Valentine's Day, but that doesn't matter. All that matters is my love for her, my thoughts for her, and she's going to get it as a gift. So I'm so excited and happy, and I just want to see how she reacts when she gets this. I'm so happy because I got a velvet case which she loves, the white roses, and 36 is number. So about Rose Forever, they have the best preserved roses, and their roses are naturally preserved, so they're like harmlessly preserved, which is really good, and it smells something very nice. Is it their natural smell? Probably yes, but how they still smell when they're preserved, I don't know, but it smells so absolutely good. And look how fresh they look. Who can tell that they are like preserved? They look like fresh roses, as fresh they can be. They're like gorgeous, absolutely. So in my previous video you guys have seen like the roses that I have in my collection, and I plan to keep collecting them every year in different occasions. And I feel like because they're long lasting, I can actually enjoy the moment like long time. I can think about my past Valentine's Day or anniversary or whatever occasion I get these roses, they're still with me. This feels just so beautiful. I think if you want to give someone roses, it's better to go with this ones. Fresh flowers is a whole different story, but you can always add something like this so they can cherish that moment for a longer time. And these roses, I can give you a review now because I have been having these roses for 2-3 years now. The roses that I got at the very beginning when I started working with Rose Forever, my very first collaborations, those roses are still as new as it was in the first day. So they, even though they say like they last 1 year, but I would say they last many years. For me, even after 2-3 years, they're still lasting. So I don't know how long they're gonna be the same, lasting forever, but I'm so happy with it, the quality of it. And if you're a content creator, you make contents, you love doing aesthetic videos like I do for my Instagram, I feel like keeping these roses somewhere in my flat lay or anything, they just make a huge change of this whole environment, the whole picture. So they're really nice addition to my collection. If you put them in your vanity or your living room or anywhere, the whole place just looks absolutely stunning. So this makes your decoration super easy. It will help you to save some when you shop. So my coupon code will be in the description box below, and also I have a link which will take you to the website, so you can check them everything in the description box below. And this Rose Forever also have their beautiful home fragrance, which I use them all the time. I love so much. My home fragrance is a change the whole mood because it just smells so good, like fresh cracked roses. They have different flavors, you can check them out in the website. So I really love their home scents as well, which are made by natural ingredients. There is no toxic ingredients which can make your home scent harmful. So that's what I love, because I have kids, so I always have to think about what is not toxic. That's for everyone, but I still think like if you have kids, you're more cautious about this stuff. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this purchase. Is my sister going to be happy? I hope so. So yeah, I will be giving it to her. I think I'm more excited than her. Anyways, this video ends here today. If you like it today, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.